Jai India students, I'm your science teacher Dr. Preeti Mittal, and today we are going to discuss about the chapter Human Eye and the Colorful World. And the topic that we are going to discuss today is the apparent position of stars and advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. But once you hear the name of the topic, you will say that, ma'am, these are two different topics. In your NCRT book, first the topic apparent position of stars is given, then it's given about the twinkling of the stars, and then it's given about advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. But we are going to change our pattern a bit because if you study in this way, these two topics are related to each other. Early sunrise and delayed sunset ka concept is same as that of apparent position of stars. And both these questions are important as logic based questions that could be asked for 2 marks in your exams. तो क्योंकि इनका कंसेप्ट सेम है तो उन्हें सेपरेटली पढ़ने की जगह हम अपना पैटर्न थोड़ा चेंज करेंगे एंड वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी दीज टू टॉपिक्स टुगेदर right now in this video. Okay, so let's start with our topic, that is apparent position of stars. तो आपको क्या लगता है, जहाँ पर स्टार्स हैं हमें वहीं पर दिखते हैं या स्टार्स की पोजीशन कुछ और है बट it appears to be at a different position to us? Let's see what's the fact. Suppose this is our earth. This is the atmosphere around the earth, and the light from the star is coming towards the earth. When it enters the atmosphere of the earth, it is entering from a rarer medium that is there in the space to a denser medium. Now, when the light is entering from a rarer medium to a denser medium, there would be refraction of light. And refraction of light की वजह से light would be bending towards the normal. Since the light would be bending towards the normal, the observer who is standing on the earth, it won't be able to judge that the light rays are coming bent. It would appear to that person that the light rays are coming from a straight direction. And if you extend these light radiations in the backward direction, means if you bend the light rays that are coming in the bent, you just extend that in the same direction, it would appear to the observer कि original position star की थोड़ा सा ऊपर है. It appears to be at a higher position. That is because of refraction of light. But you would say कि मैम ऐसे कैसे possible है कि स्टार कहीं और है और हमें अपीयर थोड़ा ऊपर हो रहा है? हाउ इज दैट पॉसिबल कि एक्चुअल पोजीशन उसके नीचे है बट आपको अपीयर थोड़ा ऊपर हो रहा है? So let's recall this with a very small experiment of refraction that we have already shown in the previous videos also, but I will show it to you again, and that will make your concepts really clear about this topic as well. So let's see to an experiment showing refraction. Now I'll show you something very interesting. I've taken two bowls and placed a coin in each of them. Now I'll start moving backward to a point where the coins become just invisible. Now the two coins are not visible. Now I'll pour some water in one of the bowls. And you can see that the bowl in which water is poured, the coin again becomes visible. This is because of refraction of light. So you have seen that the coin appears to be raised in the bowl where water was surrounding the coin. जब पानी के बीच में वो कॉइन था तो जब लाइट एयर से वाटर में एंटर हो रही थी, रिफ्रैक्शन हो रहा था बिकॉज इट वाज एंटरिंग फ्रॉम अ रेयर मीडियम इनटू अ डेंसर मीडियम. सिंस इट वाज एंटरिंग फ्रॉम अ रेयर मीडियम इनटू डेंसर मीडियम, आपने देखा कि जिस बोल में पानी था that coin was appearing to be raised at a higher position than its actual position. So by that you came to know that the apparent and the real position of the coin were different. Similarly, here in the case of stars also, the apparent position is actually lower like our coin, and it appears to be raised. So the apparent position of the stars appear to be raised. A similar thing occurs at the time of sunrise and sunset as well. So let's again see to the situation that is happening at the time of sunrise and sunset. And this topic is described as advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. Okay. So suppose this is the earth and this is the atmosphere around the earth. Now when the light coming from the sun is going to come to earth, that is going to bend a little and that is going to show refraction. But हमें sunrise कब visible होता है? When the sun is above the horizon, only then the sun is visible to us. तो अगर सन अबाव होराइजन है तो ही हमें विजिबल होगा, अदरवाइज हमें सन विजिबल नहीं होता. What is horizon? Horizon is the point where the earth and the sky appears to be meeting. अगर बहुत दूर आप देख रहे हो, where there is no buildings in front of you, अगर कोई ओपन एरिया में हो आप हो और बहुत दूर देख रहे हो, जहाँ पर एक पॉइंट आता है जहाँ पे स्काई एंड अर्थ एक दूसरे को टच कर रहे हो, उसी को हम कॉमन लैंग्वेज में सनराइज पॉइंट या सनसेट पॉइंट कहते हैं, एंड दैट ओनली नोन एज होराइजन. तो आपका सन अगर सनराइज पॉइंट के ऊपर होगा तो आपको विजिबल होगा, और अगर आपका सन सनराइज पॉइंट से नीचे है तो आपको वो विजिबल नहीं होगा. दैट वी ऑल नो. बट एक्चुअली होता क्या है, हमारा सन अभी भी सनराइज पॉइंट के नीचे है, इट्स बिलो द होराइजन. बट व्हाट हैपेंस व्हेन द सन रेज कमिंग फ्रॉम द सन रीच द अर्थ, then they are going to undergo refraction because light is entering from a rarer medium, that is vacuum, into a denser medium. So light की bending होगी, refraction होगा. जो ऑब्जर्वर अर्थ पे खड़ा होकर देख रहा है, he will not come to know that the light rays are getting bent. It will appear to him that the light rays are coming from a straight direction, and so उसके लिए सन की पोजीशन दैट वुड बी हायर. मतलब सन एक्चुअली होराइजन के नीचे है, सनराइज पॉइंट के नीचे है, बट स्टिल द सन इज विजिबल टू अस एट अ हायर पोजीशन. तो हमें एक्चुअल सनराइज के 2 मिनट पहले ही सनराइज विजिबल हो जाता है. रिमेंबर दिस टाइम, दैट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर योर एग्जाम्स. तो एक्चुअल सनराइज हो उसके 2 मिनट पहले आपको सनराइज विजिबल होता है, and this is only known as advanced sunrise. Similar concept occurs at the time of sunset. Now, the sun has already set, it's below the horizon. अगर sunset हो चुका है, sunset point के नीचे है sun, तो हमें visible नहीं होना चाहिए. It shouldn't be visible to us. But what happens? The light coming from the sun is still undergoing refraction. When it reaches the Earth's atmosphere, it is going to bend. And when it's going to bend, if we extend that in the backward direction, you can see that the position of the sun appears to be above the horizon. And this is again a time duration of 2 minutes. So after the actual sunset, the sun is still visible to us 2 minutes after the actual sunset. Okay, so sunset already हो चुका है, but फिर भी refraction of light की वजह से हमें sun अभी भी visible होगा for 2 more minutes, and that is known as delayed sunset. Okay, so advanced sunrise and delayed sunset, both this occurs because of the atmospheric refraction of light. And not only this, the apparent position of the star is different from the real position, that is also because of this refraction of light. So that was an interesting and a very small topic about the apparent position of the star as well as advanced sunrise and delayed sunset. और एक साथ पढ़ने की वजह से ये और भी easy हो गया. I hope you have got the concept clarity. If you have any doubts, feel free to let me know in the comment section. I would be glad to solve out your queries. That's all in this video. See you all in the next video when we will be discussing about the twinkling of stars. If you like the content, do share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That's all for today. Good day everyone. Take care of yourself.